Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick action pose, as in a flying person in an extreme action. So there will be, as you've guessed, some foreshortening involved, and we'll see how we can play around with this. If you have your pencils all set, let's put our guide together quickly. We have an arc. So those are the shoulders. I need an arc going somewhat like that, just that much back. So we'll now put in arcs like that. So chest, middle part of the torso, lower torso. So as I said, there's foreshortening and bigger here and smaller right there. Let's first put the torso together quickly. Sorry, the upper body. So we do the delts, arm, portion of the chest goes right here. So serratus muscles, and then as we are going backward, you're seeing that I'm curving the ab structure right there. There's the very foreshortened groin area. Body will be coming in like that. And then just a part of the shoulder showing here. Collar area, traps, collarbone structure going into the pecs. And then the head, of course, will be somewhere around in this area. And we can do a few different things like with this. Once we have the torso put down there, and I'll quickly go over this with a pen. So if you have just that much in place, you can play around with this guy a little bit. So you could have, in one certain pose, just some rough curves coming up. So leg, enlarged knee, circle there for the calf, foreshortened foot, and right around here, really foreshortened knee, that's just one option in which you could put his legs in that particular position. Or of course you could have, let's make that a little heavier right there, or you could have both legs going backward and place the other one similarly, just that far apart. If you just do those primary shapes, it should actually work. And then we will have right here, you could play around. So you could have let's say some real foreshortening going on and it's crunched, and that just comes the thumb is right there, actually not there, I made a mistake there. So that is foreshortening, and of course here the hand is the back. If you have to complement this guy, that is, and you'll just come around, put a fist in like that, and but you could also, if that doesn't like work for you, you could also have some different things going. For instance, you could have the arm going backward there, put the fist right out there, stretch this arm right here, and put the fist somewhere here to complement this guy. And again, they can go in like so many different directions. You could put them like right back, stretch this out, and you could have this guy put it out in this way. So all those different things can be done. And again, with the head, you could show him right here, like looking straight, or you could have this guy looking upward a little bit and have the eyes, nose and mouth right around there. Or you could even show him with his head hunched right in, as if, you know, he's like it's like a bulldozing pose with eyes, nose, mouth all foreshortened. So all those different options with that particular torso. So extreme flying action right there for you. Thank you for watching. Please do let us have your comments. We hope this is of some help or an insight. Please do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.